Welcome to my channel 58 AI Bytes. Today we'll be talking about vibe coding, the most trending topic in today's. Everyone is talking about the vibe coding, right? And what is actually it means. Uh, in a simple terms, we can say that English is our new programming language. Okay. For the last 40 years, whenever if you want to talk to a computer, you need some programming language which interacts with us. But you need to worry about the syntax, the semicolon, bracket for the programming language. But in the vibe coding, you lost the main coding part. You can directly talk to a computer, and AI will be translate that into a code. But you can't be a lazy. You have to be a manager. Think AI is your new junior developer, and here the three workflows to be followed. Step one, the prompt. You have to define what exactly you want to build. Second, the generation. This is the where the AI will be do the heavy lifting in the writing of the code. Third, the code checker or the vibe checker is the most important to validate what it is written. Okay, let's have a demo on that. Now let's try a real example. Click on this file, new file. I want to create a Python file and click Ctrl I. Ctrl I is the option where you can interact with the agent and search for. And here I wanted to create a strong password with the 12 characters. Okay, I am asking to create a function to generate a strong password with 12 characters, and I typed it. Okay, it created. uh, I, I don't know how to test. That's a tool. Okay, now I don't know where it is stored, so I'm giving one more instructions here, that the password.txt file with the new password. Okay, I just asked to store the password in a text file and I accepted. I see some errors and I will ask the GPT to fix it. And I accepted it. Okay, this is how we generate the password. Okay, now I got to know where my password will be stored. Again, I am typing Python strong password.py. So the password file.txt is created. And to view it, I can go for my downloads and the text file is created here. So the text file is here and the password is generated like this. Okay. Now here is the danger. When AI is writing the code, sometimes it writes the wrong code, and if you don't know what the code is written, you will be getting stuck. That's why I say, don't learn the syntax, learn to read. And you are a pilot, and AI is your autopilot. When you fall asleep, AI will be crashing your code. Please subscribe for more honest tech advice.